Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Grandma's Tales Navratri special 4th episode. We have already discussed 3 days and today is the 4th day. Today the Devi Bhavam is Kushmandam and the color is red and offering is Malpua. The offerings are different in North India and South India. In South India, most of the offerings are based with rice and pulses. In North India, most of the offerings they don't use rice. Kushmanda Devi is Simhavahini and she is known as the creator. We are all creators, no? Today we will be discussing lines from 60 to 79 and Daya Mahesh is going to chant it. And after that I will chant, to which Ramya will do the interpretation. As graceful she is, you all seen her for the last 3 days. She'll be with us all through this journey. And Daya Mahesh is a little girl of 12 years old. Okay? Enjoy the chanting of Daya Mahesh as well as the graceful Ramya's Abhinayam and Mudras.
Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotram. Chara Chara Jagannatha Chakra Rajaniketana Parvati Padmanayana Padmaraga Samaprabha Pancha Predasanasina Pancha Brahma Swarupini Chinmayi Paramananda Vijnana Ganarupini Dhyana Dhyatritteya Rupa Dharma Dharma Vivarjita Vishwarupa Jagirini Swapanti Taijasatmika Supta Pragnatmika Turya Sarvavasta Vivarjita Shrishtikartri Brahmarupa Goptri Govindarupini Samharini Rudrarupa Tirodana Karishwari Sadashivanugrahda Panchakritya Parayana Bhanumandala Madhyastha Bhairavi Bhagamalini Padmasana Bhagavati Padmanabha Sahodari Unmesha Nimishotpanna Vipanna Bhuvanavali Sahasrasheshavadana Sahasrakshi Sahasrapat Abrahmakida Janani Varnashrama Vidayini Nijagnya Rupa Nigama Punya Punya Palaprada Shruti Simanda Sinduri Krita Padabshaduliga Sakalagama Sandoha Shukti Samputa Mautika Purusharda Prada Purna Bhogini Bhuvaneshwari Ambika Nadi Nidana Paribrahmendra Sevita Narayini Nadarupa Namarupa Vivarjita Hrinkari Hrimati Hridya Eyopadeya Varjita Raja Rajarchita Ragni Ramya Rajiva Lochana Ranjini Ramani Rasya Ranar Kinkini Mekala Rama Rakendu Vadana Rati Rupa Rati Priya Rakshakari Rakshasagdi Rama Ramana Lampada Kamya Kamakala Rupa Kadamba Kusuma Priya Kalyani Jagati Kanda Karuna Rasasagara Kalavati Kalalapa Kanta Kadambari Priya Varada Vamanayana Varuri Madavihvala Vishwadika Veda Vedya Vindhyachala Nivasini Vidartri Veda Janani Vishnumaya Vilasini Kshetraswarupa Kshetreshi Kshetra Kshetrajñapalini Shaya Vriddhi Vinirmukta Kshetrapala Samarchita Vijaya Vimala Vandya Vandaru Janavatsala Vagvadini Vamakeshi Vanni Mandala Vasini Bhaktimat Kalpalatika Pashupasha Vimochani Samhrita Sheshapashanda Sadachara Pravartika Tapatrayagini Santapta Samahladana Chandrika Taruni Tapasaradya Tanumadya Tamopaha Hari Om.
That was the chanting. You heard Daya With so much of clarity he chanted, with perfection, give a word of appreciation to Daya Mahesh. I am going to chant from 60 to 79. Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chadurbhujam Prasanna Dhyayet Sarva Vigno Bashantaye Charachara Jagannatha Chakraraja Niketana Parvati Padmanayana Padmaraga Samaprabha Panjapredasanasina Panjabrahmaswarupini Chinmayi Paramananda Vijnana Khanarupini Dhanyadhatridhyeya Rupa Dharma Dharma Vivarjita Vishwarupa Jagirini Swapanditaicha Satmika Supta Prajnatmika Turya Sarvavastha Vivarjita Srishtikartri Brahmarupa Goptri Govinda Rupini Samharini Rudrarupa Tirodhanakarishwari Sadashivanugrahada Panjakritya Parayana Bhanumandala Madhyastha Bhairavi Bhagamalini Padmasana Bhagavati Padmanabha Sahodari Unmesha Nimishotpanna Vibhanna Bhuvanavali Sahasra Shirshavadana Sahasratshi Sahasrapad Abrahma Kida Janani Varnashrama Vithayini Nijatnya Rupa Nikama Punya Punya Phalaprada Shrudisi Manda Sinduri Kruda Padabjadulika Sagalagama Sandoha Shukti Samputa Mauktika Purushartha Prada Purna Bhogini Bhuvaneshwari Ambika Nathinidana Hari Brahmendra Sevita.
She who is the Lord of all moving and immobile things. She who lives in the middle of Sri Chakra. She who is the daughter of the mountain. She who has eyes like the lotus. She who shines as much as the Padmaraga jewel. She who sits on the seat of 5 dead bodies. Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, Isha and Sadashiva. She who is the personification of 5 Brahmas. She who is the personification action in everything. She who is supremely happy. She who is the personification of knowledge. She who is personification of meditation. She who is beyond dharma. She who has the form of universe. She who is always awake. She who is always in the state of dream. She who is in the form of Taijasa. She who is in deep sleep. She who is awake. She who is in trance. She who is above all states. She who creates. She who is the personification of ultimate. She who saves. She who is in the form of Govinda. She who destroys. She who is in the form of Rudra. She who hides herself from us. She who is in the form of Ishvara, Sadashiva. She who blesses. She who is engaged in the 5 duties of creation, existence, dissolving, disappearing and blessing. She who is in the middle of sun's universe. She who is the goddess Bhagamalini. She who sits on lotus. She who is with all wealth and knowledge. She who is the sister of Vishnu. She who creates and destroys the universe by opening and closing of her eyelids. She who has thousands of faces and heads. She who has thousands of eyes and feet. She has created all beings from worm to Lord Brahma. She who created the fourfold division of society. She who gave orders which are based on Vedas. She who gives compensation for sins and good deeds. She whose dust from her lotus feet is the Sindhura. She who is like the pearl in the pearl holding shell. She who gives us the Purusharthas. She who is complete. She who enjoys pleasures. She who is the goddess presiding over the universe. She who is the mother of the world. She who does not have either end or beginning. She who is served by gods like Vishnu, Indra and Brahma. She who is like Narayana. She who is the shape of music. She who does not have either name or
നാരായണീ നാദരൂപ നാമരൂപ വിവർജിത ഹ്രീങ്കാരി ഹ്രീമതി ഹൃദ്യ ഹേയോപാദേയവർജിത രാജരാജാർച്ചിത രാജ്ഞി രമ്യാ രാജീവലോചന രഞ്ജനീ രമണീരസ്യ രണത്കിങ്കിണി മേഖല രമാരാകേന്ദുവദന രതിരൂപാ രതിപ്രിയ രക്ഷാകരീ രാക്ഷസഗ്നി രാമാ രമണലംബട കാമ്യാ കാമകലാരൂപ കദംബകുസുമപ്രിയ കല്യാണി ജഗദീ കന്ധ കരുണാരസസാഗര കലാവതി കലാലാപ കാന്ത കാദംബരിപ്രിയ വരദാ വാമനയന വാരുണീ മതവിഹ്വല വിശ്വാദികാ വേദവേദ്യ വിന്ധ്യാചല നിവാസിനി വിധാത്രീ വേദജനനി വിഷ്ണുമായാ വിലാസിനി ക്ഷേത്രസ്വരൂപ ക്ഷേത്രേശി ക്ഷേത്രജ്ഞപാലിനി ക്ഷയവൃദ്ധി വിനിർമുക്ത ക്ഷേത്രപാല സമർച്ചിത വിജയാ വിമലാ വന്ദ്യ വന്ദാരുജനവത്സല വാഗ്വാദിനി വാമകേശി വന്നിമണ്ഡലവാസിനി ഭക്തിമത്കൽപലതിക പശുപാശ വിമോചനി സംഹൃദാ ശേഷപാഷണ്ഡ സദാചാര പ്രവർത്തിക താപത്രയാഗ്നിസന്തപ്ത സമാഹ്ലാദന ചന്ദ്രിക തരുണീ താപസാരാധ്യ തനുമധ്യ തമോപഹ. ഹരി ഓം.
she who makes the holy sound Rum. She who is shy. She who is in the heart. She who does not have aspects which can be accepted or rejected. She who is being worshipped by King of Kings. She who is the Queen of Kameshwara. She who makes others happy. She who is lotus-eyed. She who by her red color makes Shiva also red. She who plays with her devotees. She who feeds the juice of everything. She who wears the golden waistband with the tinkling bells. She who is like Lakshmi. She who has a face like full moon. She who attracts others with her features like Rati. She who likes Rati. She who protects. She who kills Rakshasas. She who is feminine. She who is interested in making love. She who is in the form of love. She who is the personification of the art of love. She who likes the flowers of Kadamba. She who does good. She who is like a root to the world. She who is the sea of juice of mercy. She who is an artist. She whose talk is artful. She who glitters. She who likes the wine called Kadambari. She who gives boons and who has beautiful eyes. She who gets drunk with the wine called Varuni. She who is above all the universe. She who can be understood by Vedas. She who lives on Vidya mountains. She who carries the world. She who created the Vedas. She who lives as the Vishnu Maya. She who enjoys lovemaking. She who is personification of the Kshetra. She who is goddess of the bodies. She who looks after bodies. She who neither decreases or increases. She who is worshipped by those who look after bodies. She who is always victorious. She who is clean of ignorance and illusion. She who is being worshipped by everybody. She who has affection towards all. She who uses words with great effect in arguments. She who lives in the universe of fire. She who is the wish-giving keeper Kalpaga. She who removes shackles from the living. She who destroys those people who have left their faith. She who makes things happen through good. She who is like the pleasure-giving moon. She who is ever young. She who is being worshipped by sages. She who has a narrow middle hip. She who destroys darkness.
In these lines 60 to 79, the connection between science and Devi is described. Most of the meaning is related to science. In 76th line, it says, Kshetra Swarupi Kshetreshi Kshetra Kshetrajna Palini Shaya Vriddhi Vinirmukta Kshetra Pala Samarchita. Here, what is the Kshetram? You know, Kshetram means temple, but you can take this Kshetram as our body also. Our body is Kshetram, in which the Swarupam, the Rupam itself is Devi. The one who resides inside is Devi. She is who takes care of this body, Kshetrajna Palini. So, we symbolize as Devi. Enjoy this Navaratri season, doing something different. Take out that inner hidden talent in you and nourish it. The best time to nourish your inner talents. If your life is just like blank white paper, fill it with some colors. Take out that good dresses, good jewelry, wear it and flaunt. There is no harm in doing that, because don't wait for tomorrow, that good time which you are going to wear all these fineries of you, because that tomorrow never comes. What comes is corona, flood, natural calamities, etc. So don't wait for tomorrow. Live today, live the moment and enjoy. That was all about today. I'll join you tomorrow with next lines. Till then, always stay connected with grandmas. Please put some comments in the comment box so that the participants get some encouragement.